Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn in how to use Meshy AI to create realistic 3D models. So here, Meshy AI is a powerful tool that lets you generate 3D models using just text, prompts, or images. So think of it like AR art, but in 3D. So this one is perfect for games, animations, or even product mockups. Okay, so first is you just have to go to the Meshy AI website and create an account. So here, open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Meshy AI. That's right. Then you have this website, so just simply tap on this one. Okay, and then this section will open. So you can sign up using Google or email, and once you're in, you'll see the dashboard where all the magic happens. So I'm just going to tap on the sign up for free. So once you're here, you just have to choose your option. So how do you want to use Meshy? So we have on my own, so I just want to explore and create, or with my team. So I'm just going to choose the first one. So what to use Meshy for, and they're going to set up defaults and examples for your workflow. So for example, 3D printing. So characters, props, animations, or environments. So I'm just going to select props and then continue. And then you just have to pick a style you love. So for example, I want cartoon. And where did you hear about Meshy? So I'm just going to select YouTube. That's right. So here, you just have to choose your plan. So to help you get the best experience with the Meshy, they're offering a limited time upgrade deal. So we have Pro monthly and Pro yearly. So you just have to choose your options. So I'm just going to skip this part. Okay, and then you would be directed to your dashboard. So as you can see, it looks like a game section. Okay, so you'll usually see two main options: so text to 3D or image to 3D. Okay, so we have that right here. So for example, we are going to use this one. That's right. So if you want full control, go for text to 3D. And if you already have a reference image, so you just have to choose image to 3D. So something like that. So based on your survey, here are some examples for you. So click one to start your first generation. Okay, for example, I want to use this one. So what will you create today? So here is the prompt section. You just have to put here your prompt. Okay, so this is the most important part. Your result depends on how detailed your prompt is. So instead of saying a chair, you have to say a realistic wooden chair with smooth texture, soft lighting, high detail, and studio render. So let us try to type that out. So for example, I'm going to type it right here, a realistic. Okay, so a realistic um, wooden chair. That's right, and with smooth texture. This is very important. Soft lighting. That's right. High detail. Studio render. Okay, so the more specific you are, so the more realistic your model will look like. So you just have to click the generate and wait for a few seconds to minutes. Okay, so the Meshy AI will create, zoom in, and inspect all of the angles right inside the platform. Okay, so it is now generating so a realistic wooden chair with smooth texture, soft lighting, and high detail studio render. So you can rotate it, zoom in, inspect all of the angles right inside the platform. Now, if the result is not realistic enough, then not worry because you can try this. You can add words like high detail, realistic texture, 4K, photorealistics. You can adjust the lighting descriptions, regenerate a few versions. So AI is a trial and error, so you just have to keep refining your prompt. Okay, So it is now 100%. So let us try to see what would be what will be the result will look like. Okay, so we just wait for a couple of seconds. That's right. So here are some examples. Okay, so let's just hope that we can generate a perfect 3D for what we have described. So here, this is a prompt section, right? So this is the model type. So we have standard. And for the AI model, of course, it's Meshy 6. So you can adjust this one as well. And for the pose, so none. And for the number of generations, so we only selected one. And for the license, that's right. Okay, so here, after that, once you're happy, okay, so assuming that we are done generating our 3D model, you can now download your model. So the Meshy AI usually lets you export in formats like OBG or GLB, which you can use in tools like Blender or game engines like Unity. Okay, so we also have, quick tips. You can use reference images for better accuracy. You can keep your prompts clean and descriptive, and do not expect perfection on the first try. So experiment with styles and lighting. Also, simple prompts work, but the detailed prompts win. Okay, it is still generating. So yeah, again, it's more convenient if you have subscribed to a plan. So more assets, faster workflows, and private commercial safe export just for $10 for your first month. Okay, so you'd be able to see here your credits. So currently we only have 80 credits. So if you would like to upgrade your credits, so you just simply tap on the upgrade option. Okay, so once you're done, you would be able to see here now your model. Okay, so currently it is still loading, but okay, so as you can see, it is not just an image, because you can actually see that this one is 3D. Now if you would like to add a color, we only have plain color for this one. So it is very important to add a color right here. So for example, make it color yellow. So you can add that to your prompt and you have to generate it again. Okay, so it is very important that your prompt is detailed. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.